To record a video, you will use the controls here. This will show you the drive the videos will be recorded to. A video folder will automatically be created and store the videos in here. To start recording, click the red circle. Once finished, click the stop button. To review the videos taken in the player, click the play button on screen. Note when using two cameras, both will be recorded when the record button is pushed. Select the video you would like to play back and click play. The video will now play back. You can play back the video frame by frame using these buttons. Pseudo-color effects can also be added. Looping functions are also available. During playback, you can watch the video in slow motion using the time controls. To delete a file, select the video and click the trash can button below. Click this button to exit the player.